Good morning to everyone. In this lecture, EC8551 Communication Networks, Unit 2 Media Access and Internet Working. Here we are going to discuss in this section Zigbee. So, what is the Zigbee technology? The IEEE 802.15.4 does the standardize the higher communication protocol layer, including the network and application layer, to assure interpretable between the device operating the IEEE 802.1.4 standard. The behavior of this layer must be specified. The creation of such a specifications has taken as a Zigbee, an organization with millions of missions to define a reliable, cost-effective, low-power, wirelessly networked monitoring and control product based on the open global standard. So, what are the characters of 802.15.4? The general characteristics is a data rate of 250 kilobits per second and 20 and for up to 40, and the star and peer-to-peer operations. It support low latency device and dynamic device addressing and low power consumption. So, the Zigbee is a name given the specific suite of high-level communications protocol using the low-power digital radios. Based on the IEEE 802.15.4 stand for Wireless Protocol Personal Area Network, that is a wireless PAN network. So, in this wireless PAN network field, the ultra-wideband radio technology is a rapidly developing area used to transmit high data rate over very short distance, opening upon the applications such as video and audio streaming, wireless around the home between the base device and the subsidiary device. The core aim is to design the system offering the low cost and low power and compact size. Therefore, the IEEE 802.15 working group has defined three classes of wireless PAN differentiated by data rate, power requirement and level of performance. The high data rate, that is a wireless PAN technology, ultra wideband technology is suitable for multimedia applications that require very high performance level. The media rate is a wireless PAN handled a variety of tasks from radio ranging from the mobile phone communications, and the Zigbee network limited a link a number of electronic device, that is a node, each node in the network from part of the transmission chain receiving messages, deciding of if the message for a local use and retransmitting them to the other node. Now, the Zigbee technology, it is a targeting control applications in industry which do not require high data rate but must low power demand, low cost and upper ease of use, remote control, home automation, etc. Offers data rate of 250 kilobits and at 2.4 gigahertz and 40 kilobits per second at 915 megahertz and 20 kilobits per second at 868 megahertz with a range of 10 to 100 meters. It currently offers the three level of security and cost surrounding half of the Bluetooth, and it can be a network on 256 device and less power requirements, and the star and tree or mesh topology are used. So these are the special specifications of Zigbee technology. And what is the Zigbee applications? The Zigbee enabled control system offers automatic control of lighting system to create the adaptable workplace, and second one, control of heating and ventilation to personalize the environment. Third one, security system both inside and outside the building, and finally automatic environmental control of ground and gardens. Thank you for watching this video.